Welcome to another earning opportunity where we are learning how to make money with affiliate marketing. However, in this particular video, we're looking at affiliate marketing tips and tricks. That is specifically for the Temu platform, those who are into Temu affiliate market. So I've already left an earlier video where I explained how you sign up, create an account. You'll be given an offer bonus as you sign up. So do well to check the link in the description box or check that video. You get to see how to get started. But in this particular video, we are going to be looking at how to promote our links and earn. So how do you get to promote your links and earn? There are two basic ways on how. Before we look at how to promote our links to earn, let me show you my dashboard now. You see, if I come to this very point, you now see this very point that shows 180. When I click, you can see these are all the available earnings so far. Sooner or later they will get approved. So this tells you that this is real. You can see, you can even see British pound here. So if I continue, you will see another different country currency there. You can see this is another different currency. This is 250 rands. That is South African. You can see another British pound again. So that tells you that this platform is on track. So the key thing there is, how do you now promote your links? So we are going to see that, but let me give you guys just a few tips for you to be aware of. There are two basic methods which we use to promote affiliate link. This can either be the free method or the second one, which is the paid method. So this free method involves you using your social media handle to promote the links on a different platform: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest of them. However, this paid method involves you paying money to run ads. Yes, you can pay money to run ads so that people get to see. However, anyone you choose, this free method is also good, but it can be very hectic. It can be very, very slow. You can spend months struggling with it. And then this paid method can be very fast if you do it well. However, I'm not going to be breaking down how you should put the video or what. We are going to see everything in detail, how you should put the video and how to do it, irrespective of whether you are using the free method or the paid method. Let's go over now to the Temu platform. There are various ways which you can earn to promoting your links in this particular platform. This is the first one. Let me start with the simplest one. This is the hot deal item option. So this allows you to share your links just by clicking here. If you click here, you can see it's telling you top best sellers. So you copy this particular link and then promote it to people who are interested in buying product. This can also make it available for you to, you can even buy things on behalf of people while you charge them something little, then they get to deliver it for them. I'm just giving you guys a simple trick now for those, because there are a lot of people who get scared to buy things online. So if you can identify those type of people, it's going to be a very big opportunity for you. You make the order on their behalf. When the order comes, they give you their money with the extra, which you make your own commission out of it. So this is a simple business model I'm teaching you guys now, which is what a lot of people are spending money to learn. In a much more deeper perspective, it is called drop shipping. So let's go further now. Now, for you to end with this, possibly you have friends that are interested in buying some of these things. You can see them. They are very nice products. So who they want to buy, all you have to do is just come here, click on this share. Don't forget, for you to access this particular platform, you must use the link in the description box, or if you already have an account, you will get to see it, how to access it. Then you copy this particular link of this particular product and send it to them. When they place order, you get to earn your commission. The price is not much, but you get to earn your own decent commission with this. So this is the first part. For any product that you see here, don't forget, hot item. The next stage is for the influencers, those who have a lot of followers. You have followers on Instagram, you have a lot of followers on YouTube, you have a lot of followers on, there must not be millions, but at least to a reasonable extent. You get to earn 30% for every purchase that they make with another reward. And when they are using it, they will get exclusive commission. That is the advantage that you get to offer them. And some people have testified, yes. I've also seen a couple of testimony. Even now, I have someone who placed order. A couple of them were expecting the order, and we are seeing detailed breakdown of the shipment as it is coming. Once one of them arrive, I'm going to show you guys a proof of it now. So these products are actually coming from different countries. That is why it's taking longer period of time. They have to fly it to the country of your choice where you are putting your address. So the available influencer option here is, in this particular option, you share your link on your social media handle to ask people to join the platform. When they make purchases, you get to earn from it. So how do you do that? When you come, you first create a slideshow, which is a say 15-second Temu goodies slideshow. That means you pick products that are very good for the audience. You create a slideshow using the pictures. Then you click join here. When you click this join, you get to see something here. They say when you click this join, let me go down. Don't forget, follow the requirements so that you see most of us have problem with following instructions. We don't want to sit down to pay attention to read. That is why a lot of people have problem on this internet space. Follow the requirement. The requirement is very simple. You prepare the layout of the video, they give you specification, make sure they remove the background, use very nice music background, avoid copyright sound, use good images, and then at the end of the day, you will now post it on your timeline. When you post it, you can post up to 3 different videos. Then each of those videos must be at least 30 seconds and above. And then the images must be at least 6. Then the video, by the time you post it, the video should have a minimum of 300 views within the first 30 days of posting. And then the content must remain public. That means you cannot post a video and make it private and expect to earn. So that is it. So while you are doing that, you come to this very point, this same page, you will now click on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or anyone. They have the same requirement for any of the platform you are using. You see, they say 2 approved shots, 1 approved video, 1 approved. So all you have to do is you click join the campaign. When you click join the campaign, you will now see it has automatically submitted to the platform I join. So the next thing you do is they say come and help pick a product, buy you what, and then 30% off. Then you copy this link and then you post it. You click submit. That is it for this influencer package. That is the first package. The next package is revolutionize your storage. So in this particular one, what you do is when you come here, you click this very point, the new page will open. When it opens, you will be following almost similar procedures again, but in this case, you can promote whether with video or text. They give you the requirement. They say all you have to do is this one is going to be image based. So they have already made the image for you. You will not be creating video like the other one. All you have to do is you now come here, you select if it is Instagram, TikTok. They tell you everything that is required. Join the Temu affiliate program. So in this case, you are inviting people to come and join. And in that, in your bio, you need in the bio then hashtag. You need to use this hashtag in that particular post, or you can copy this post and paste it. Then you click submit. From here, everything will go. The next category is, so if you want to see more samples, let me come down here so that you get to see. Let's go to the next one. In this very last one, we have revolutionize your makeup storage. So in this case, this is a hot product. That means people are demanding for this product a lot. So you can take advantage of it. You click this join. Why join? By the time you click join, you get to see one interesting thing about this one. These are images. They say create a video that transform your makeup organization, show how to boost efficiency, maintain hygiene, and the rest of them. So this is for people who are interested in makeup. So by the time you click, if you click this particular image, you get to see all the necessary information that they are talking about here. How to authorize at Temu shop on your page. So you take your time, go through it. Then by the time you come down here, they tell you how to make the video and other related stuff, and then how to the format only video reel content is accepted. That means this very one you do only reels. Show how you make your stuff, you attach the at Temu shop on your content, then you avoid using keyword like free shipping and the rest of them and free return. So all these things, take your time and go through it. This is just a guide on what you should do. And each video must be at least 30 seconds and then has about 6 big images. And then the criteria is video photo should have achieved a minimum of 300 views within 30 days. So before they get to approve it. Then when you come down here, they said content requirement. You take your time and go through it. They talk about the hashtag. And when we go down here, down, you get to see we have prepared some examples of inspired to help you create. So you get to watch this video to see the sample of exactly what they expect from you. Let's get to click this one. You get to see it now. When I click watch, so you can see. So this video is a 23 seconds video. You can see. So this is what they are expected of you to do. So while you post that product on your Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok or YouTube handle, so you can see this is all you have to do. Then when you post it, by the time it gets that 300 views, then you now come here, click join campaign. Then they will authorize, the assistant will check it and then they will authorize it. Then you can start earning with it. So these are the three basic way that you can earn from this particular one. And then let me go back to the first one again that we started with, which is this 50-second Temu goodies. If I come down to, let's see, so we have actually gone through the detailed breakdown now. So I believe you learned something in this particular video. So don't forget to follow, take your time, follow the instructions, because when you get it wrong, just forget about it. You see, little information like this are the reason why some people find it very difficult to succeed on the internet space. You are busy going all over the places creating accounts. Creating account you will not earn anything by creating any account. You have to put in the work and you have to follow the rules. Failure to follow the rules, just forget about it. Actually telling you this out of experience, because we have been on this internet space for years. We have seen how things are going. So thank you for being there. I believe you will get to follow it, and don't forget, I will leave the link in the description box for you to get to sign up if you are looking for ways to join the Temu affiliate marketing system. Then the paid, you can also do this for the paid. By the time you post this, you can boost the video on your Facebook page, or you can boost the video on your Instagram page, or you can boost the video on your YouTube page by promoting it. You get to see wonderful results. Trust me, you get back to appreciate what I'm telling you in this channel. If you are coming across the channel for the first time, don't forget to keep a date, as I will bring you more update and more helpful tips as time goes on.